Hosanna, loud Hosanna, the little children sang through pillared court and temple. The lovely anthem rang to Jesus who had blessed them, close folded to his breast. The children sang their praises, the simplest and the best. From Olivet they followed, mid an exultant crowd, the victor palm branch waving and chanting clear and loud. The Lord of men and angels rode on in holy state, nor scorn that little children should on his bidding wait. And Hosanna in the highest, that ancient song we sing, for Christ is our Redeemer.